Build OS Android v7.1.1 Nougat. Dimensions NA. Weight NA. SIM, dual standby, micro SIM. Colors black, gold. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band STPA 850, 900, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE. Processor CPU 1.4 GHz quad-core. Chipset Qualcomm MSM8917 Snapdragon 425. GPU Adreno 308. Display technology Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.0 inches. Resolution 540 by 960 pixels, ~220 ppi. Memory built-in 16 GB built-in, 1.5 GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256 GB. Camera main 8MP, autofocus, LED flash. Features geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama, video, 1080p at 30 fps. Front 5MP. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot. Bluetooth v4.2 with A2DP. GPS Yes plus a GPS support, and GLONASS. Radio FM radio. USB microSD 2.0, USB on the go. NFC No. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G, HSPA 42.25.76 Mbps, 4G, LTE CAC for 150 Mbps. Features sensors accelerometer, compass, proximity. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP4/H.264 player, MP3/WAV/EAC+/FLAC player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch Yes. Extra photo, video editor, document viewer. Battery capacity, Li-ion removable, 2600 mAh.